Here's how to do a frontside heel flip on a fingerboard. But first, let's start off with the finger position. So for the frontside heel flip, you want to place your middle finger at the center of the tail. You don't want to place too far in the pocket, just the center of the tail. And for the index finger, you want to place it just below the balls near the edge of the board. But you can either let it hang or stick it on the edge of the board. But it's up to you to decide where you feel most comfortable placing on your index finger that works best for you. But for me, I like to have my index finger way on the edge of the board, just the tip of my finger. And this is my placement for a frontside heel flip. Now you got the finger position down, let's proceed to the next step. So when it comes to this trick, you want to put more weight or put more pressure to your middle finger on the tail. And then that's when you slightly push and pop the tail on the ground, just like you do with a frontside 180 ollie. So right after you pop, you want to make sure that you're twisting or rotate your wrist into an 80-degree motion. And make sure you should also move your elbow into a 90-degree to ensure you can catch it in a clean and proper way to your frontside heel flip. Now you got the popping down, let's proceed to the next step, shall we? So right after you pop the tail down, your index finger should flick or slides it forward off the pocket of the nose the same way you do in a regular heel flip. But remember, in a frontside heel flip, the middle finger does all the work because that's what helps you to pop the tail into an 80 motion. A good way to get comfortable at frontside heel flip is try to put all your weight or put more pressure to your index finger, because the index finger should start to flick quickly towards off the nose pocket right after you pop the tail down, provided you're putting a lot of weight or pressure to your index finger near the edge of the board, because that's what really helps me to flick with my index finger off that edge and leveling out of the board. Alright, so remember, let's take a little recap. You want to slightly push and pop the tail just like in frontside 180 ollie, then flick with your index finger through the pocket of the nose, then rotate your wrist into an 80-degree, and then lastly, you want to catch it with your both fingers, land it and roll away clean. It's all about that perfect timing, so take your time with it, don't rush the process, you'll get them eventually if you just keep practicing over and over again until you ended up getting better at it. It's all about progression. Well, there you have it. I know you've all been asking for a backside heel flip tutorial, but you're gonna have to wait a bit, so be patient with it. Coming soon. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember who taught that to you. Itachi Han. You're welcome.